Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last time we read the word by word meaning of Surah Falak and Surah Nas. So now you will read it. Okay, start anyone. Start it. First unmute your microphone, then start it.
Sorry. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
Also read Auz
Qul
Billah.
a'u- Pardon?
Also read Auz Billah.
A'udhu billahi. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from the rejected shaitan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. Malikin nas, the King of mankind. Ilahin nas, the God of mankind. Min sharril waswasil khannas, min the evil of the whisperer, when he departs.
One who withdraws.
Withdraws.
Where we use the word khannas for devil.
For devil.
Yes,
Okay.
where we use the word khannas for the devil.
Oh, because he's the one who incites us to do things.
No. No, do you remember?
I can't remember.
He's the one who withdraw.
So why we use this word for the devil?
Because he's sneaky.
Listen again.
I can't remember the exact words again you said.
Listen again. Okay. Devil always remain with the heart. Okay. Devil always remain with your heart. That's why you both forgot it. So
That's the fraud.
Yeah. Devil always remain with your heart. So when you remember Allah, he withdraws from it. He runs away from it. As soon as you stop it, he comes back to your heart. Okay? So that's why the word khannas is used. So he always remain with our heart. When we say Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, or anything like this, he runs away from it. He withdraws from our heart. And when we stop, he returns back to our heart. Okay?
Okay, I've written it down this time. Okay. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس, the one who whispers in the heart of the people. من جناتي والناس, from the jinn and the people.
So devil is among both jinn and people, okay? Do you see any man who is a devil? Do you know any person?
You could say a few, yeah.
Okay, good. So next we have Surah Falak. No, do you want to do it?
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I seek refuge from Allah, from the
Cursed devil.
rejected, from the cursed devil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Okay, I seek refuge from the Lord of the daybreak.
With the Lord of daybreak.
With the Lord of the daybreak. Min shari ma khalaq. From the evil that he created. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ, and from the evil of the darkness when it spread. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ, and from shar- the evil um nafasati fil ukad, from the evil blowers of the knot. Wa min syarri hasidin idza hasad, and from the evil that envies,
Evil of envier when he
the evil of
envies.
envy when he envies.
Envier.
Envier, okay. Khadija, is there any difference between envier and jealous person?
They're like linked together, aren't they?
Yes, similar.
But yeah. One's perhaps a bit more destructive, maybe.
Which is most destructive? Envier or jealous?
Would you say that envier, maybe he wants,
Okay,
I don't know, they're pretty much similar, aren't they, really?
okay.
Envier, jealous, yeah. The envier perhaps wants something that you have.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Next time, inshallah, we'll start Surah Ikhlas. And did any one of you prepare the ayah 17 until next for Hifaz Quran?
Mm,
I haven't even
I-
done 1 to 6 yet, 1 to 16.
Did you complete 1 to 16, Khatija?
No, just 1 to 8. I've probably forgotten that now.
1 to 8. Okay, no, what
I
would
finish
you?
my exams next weekend, inshallah, and then I'll concentrate on it.
Okay, inshallah. And
I'm
Noor,
not a
you?
very good student, see, so I have to study before each exam.
It's okay.
I've done it before.
Noor, you?
okay, I can try 17 to 27, inshallah.
Okay, start.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب المشرقين ورب المغربين، فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. مرج البحرين يلتقيان، بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان، فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان، فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. وله الجوار المنشآت في البحر كالأعلام، فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. كل من عليها فان، ويبقى, ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. صدق الله العظيم.
MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Allah, you increase you in that, sister. It's lovely.
Okay, Zoya, what about you? Had you memorized Surah Rahman? Miss Zoya, can you hear us? I think she is not available.
Maybe I can do 6 ayahs.
Okay, do 6 ayah.
Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ar-Rahman, Allama al-Quran, Allamahu bayan.
Sorry,
Allamahu bayan.
you have
Oh,
missed a line.
did I? Oh,
It's okay, you will
okay.
just
Let's.
prepare it next time, no problem. Take your time.
Okay.
Okay.
Inshallah.
Should we start Aqsam al-Fail right now or should we start it next time?
Next time,
Up to you.
inshallah.
Okay. So inshallah next time we'll continue.
Inshallah.
Yeah. I want some sleep.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Ma'assalama.
Ma'assalam.
Assalamu jazakumullah khairan.
Wa iyyakum.
Jazakallah khair.
Wa iyyakum.